CloseBot agency owners, what if I told you that you never have to log in and click through your dashboard again? No more hunting for settings, no more manually building bots for every client, no more tab switching. I'm going to show you right now, live zero edits, how I control my entire CloseBot agency just by talking to Claude AI. Let's go. First thing, I want to see what's happening in my agency right now. Watch this. I type, show me my CloseBot agency, and boom, agency name, owner status, all pulled instantly, no login screen, no dashboard loading. Now let me check the balance, $0, and before anyone in the comments says anything. Yes, this is my test account. I'm not showing you my real agency live on YouTube. That's where actual client money lives. But everything you're seeing works exactly the same way on a live account. Now the summary, messages this month, active sources, contacts, responded contacts, full dashboard overview, one sentence. Now let me see all my bots. There it is, lead qualifier. 2 versions, published, source attached, persona linked. I can see every version of the bot, which source it's connected to, which persona is running it, whether it's live or draft, all of it. Instantly, on a normal day, that's at least 3 clicks just to get to this screen. Now this is where it gets interesting. I'm going to create a brand new bot just by describing what it should do in plain English. Solar company, qualify leads, collect property type, budget timeline, book a survey call. I hit enter and done. Solar Co lead qualifier. Built, versioned, ready to configure. Now, you might notice I had to delete the roofing bot I built earlier to do this. That's the free plan limit. 1 bot at a time. On a paid account, you create as many as you want. But even on free, 1 sentence, 1 bot, seconds, not hours. Every bot needs a persona, the AI character that actually talks to your leads. Let me build one right now. Jake, friendly, confident, solar consultant, 3-second response delay, running on Anthropic AI. Jake is live, full persona, voice style, response behavior, AI provider preference, all set from 1 description. Then I list all personas and there they are. Jake the roofer, Jake the solar guy, 3 personas, all built through Claude. SmartFAQs are how CloseBot handles specific questions leads ask your bot. Let me add one. How much do solar panels cost? Answer goes in. I confirm the list. 3 FAQs now live. Pricing for services, roofing, solar, all sitting in the knowledge base ready to go. Normally that's clicking into SmartFAQs, hitting add, typing, saving. I typed 1 sentence. Now let me pull all my leads. 28 leads total. Mike and John are right at the top, both qualified from our earlier test with tags applied. Name saved, last message visible. Scroll down and you see real leads from the live GHL source. People who actually messaged in asking about demos, asking about services. Every lead, every source, every tag, every last message, 1 pull. Now let me see the actual messages flowing through. There's the full conversation thread, bot reply, lead message, bot reply, tags firing, contact name being saved automatically in the activities. I can see every channel, SMS, Facebook, Instagram, every source, every action the bot took alongside each message. This is real-time visibility into everything happening in your CloseBot account. No dashboard refresh. Just ask, okay, this is the part I actually want you to pay attention to. I'm going to talk to my own bot, live, right now through Claude. Fresh session I sent. Hi, I run a cleaning company and I need more leads. Watch the reply come back. 1 question warm. Sounds like a real person, exactly how it should open. Now I give it everything at once. Budget, timeline. My name is Sarah. Contact name saved, Sarah, automatically. Bot reflects everything back naturally and moves straight to the next qualifying question. No manual tagging, no updating the contact. The bot just handled it. Now, If you look at what happened behind the scenes, Anthropic, Claude Sonnet, the prompt, the tokens used, the tools called, all visible in the logs. This isn't just a chatbot. This is a full AI agent running inside CloseBot, controlled through Claude, built and tested without touching the CloseBot UI once. Let me pull some analytics. Daily contacts metric, May 11th, May 12th. New contacts coming in daily on this account. Then, action history, every node the bot hit, every lead it processed, timestamps, action IDs, full audit trail of everything the bot did. On a live account with real volume, this would be showing you hundreds of actions, bookings, follow-ups, all queryable through Claude in seconds. So let me just be clear about what you just watched. From one Claude conversation, I pulled my full agency overview, listed bots, created a new bot from plain English, built a persona, added SmartFAQs, pulled all leads, saw live messages, tested a full qualifying conversation with real AI replies, and pulled analytics. Zero clicking, zero tab switching, zero logging in. This is how I run my CloseBot agency now. And this is what I'm building for other agencies too. If you want this for your business, drop Claude in the comments or DM me directly. I'm Urooj. I build what AI can't do alone. Subscribe, because this is just the beginning.